This is Oumar Mine Museum in Kabul, Afghanistan. It acts as a training and education center for mine clearance. Afghanistan is one of the most heavily mine-affected countries of the world. According to the United Nations, since 1988, more than 41,000 Afghan civilians have been killed or injured by landmines. More than two-thirds of the victims were children.
The museum displays a variety of landmines and explosive remnants of war, highlighting the danger of the hidden enemies. It contains a collection of 51 types of landmines out of the 53 types that have been used in Afghanistan during the decades of wars and fighting.
ماین اصلا تو یک چیزی است که دوست هیچ کس نمیشه. کسی که ساخته دشمنی زوام است، کسی که آورده دشمنی زی است، کسی که گورش که دشمنی زوام است. یعنی ماین هیچ دوست نداره و یک دشمن پنهان است به حساب در زیر خاک است. هر کشور امو لطف خدا کرده و برای ما شما چیزای خدارایی است. یعنی ماین هیچ دوست نداره و یک دشمن پنهان است. در افغانستان که چیز استفاده شده و به دست ما آمده، اینجا ما مواد داریم از مختلف کشورها موادش هستند. این تقریبا دستاورد 27 یا 28 سال ما هستند که ما به حساب این ماینا رو چیزا رو جمع کردیم.
According to the State Ministry for Disaster Management and Humanitarian Affairs, landmines have continued to kill or maim more than 120 people every month in Afghanistan, one of the most landmine-contaminated countries. The explosive remnants of war also frequently cause casualties among the Afghans in the mountainous country. The ministry noted that it would take 7 to 8 years to rid the Asian country of the menace of mines.